Hey YouTube, so I was planning on going outside, walking around, doing a really awesome video, but it's just kind of cold out there, a little windy. You can kind of see what I mean by windy. Those windmills, they're blowing pretty darn good, guys. And there's snow blowing all over the damn place. So we're gonna do an in-cab panoramic view of this area. Just kind of like panning around a little bit so you can see, but let's try to look back this way. There's a big old mountain right there. Real beautiful. I'm like perched up on a mountain in between the valley. You'll see that here in a second. That's J.C. Penney. I delivered a load there last night, and then I got this, all of that for this view. It's been beautiful. I have actually left my curtains open for the most part when I was sleeping, and so when I woke up, you know, this is what I saw. It was quite beautiful, actually. All right, let me come over here to this passenger seat, which I don't ever use. So you can see there's snow blowing. I mean, it gets real gusty right here, guys. Look at that. And it just blows right on down, right across that field right there. I mean, yeah, people, it's cold. But look at that view. I mean, there's not a bad view here. It doesn't really matter where you look. So, anyway, as I was saying, if you look here, this goes like way down, and then there's the city right there, or part of the city. Salt Lake is over on the other side of this mountain right here. This is Spanish Forks. And there's some windmills right over there. I don't know if you can see those. There, you can see them now. So, real nice outside. But man, I'm telling you, it's cold. So, after we did that, I'll have you guys kind of see me, but kind of be able to see outside because it's nice out there. So, I just found out, because, you know, hey, I drive all the time. So I just found out this. YouTube is removing partnerships from channels that have not received 4,000 hours of viewing in the past 12 months, and if you don't have 1,000 subscribers. Now, YouTube never paid me, you know, thousands of dollars. I don't have a big channel. I don't care about having a big channel. But I made a couple $100. I use that to upgrade my equipment. I use that for just small stuff. And I just found out YouTube is removing that from me. I mean, it's not a huge loss, but at the same time, it's kind of like, come on, guys. It's whatever. So, if you've been watching my videos, you like my videos, or you watch this video and you like it, hey, please hit that subscribe button. Try to get me up to 1,000 subscribers. I get 4,000 hours of people viewing my videos, so that's not a problem. I make great content that people love to see. My problem that I have a hard time converting those views into subscribers. But I never really cared about that much, because I want my channel to grow because somebody likes my content. And there's a lot of people, they love my content, even though it's not the best. I know that. You know, the other thing I was looking into is maybe even doing Patreon. You know, throw down in the comments how many of you guys would support me and, you know, give me a couple bucks. But, yeah, so I'm losing that that little bit of extra income a month come beginning of next month, really. This month is pretty much over. You know, so yeah. I mean, I'm still gonna make videos because I enjoy doing it. But if you guys enjoy my videos, subscribe. Let me know if I set up a Patreon, if you guys would, you know, utilize that. Just let me know. But man, this is a pretty view right here, and I'm gonna stay parked right here. I got food in the truck, so why sit in a truck stop when I got this for a view? I mean, come on now. Let's zoom in on that mountain right over there. Look at that, beautiful. And then you can kind of see the valley going down through there. Mountain ranges all around. And driving up in here at night was beautiful. It really was. And I mean, I don't know. I take the small things in life and I really enjoy it. I wonder what's causing all that steam. Probably a power plant or a factory. I don't know. But that'd be kind of interesting to know. But yeah, guys. Sorry, I'm trying to hold this, and when you're zoomed in like that, it's kind of hard to keep it real steady. Anyway, so thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I really need to try to get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you can share my video on Facebook, here, there, let others know I have awesome content. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I really would appreciate that. Thank you and have a great day.